How to set a single bottom border in Microsoft Excel. So you need a single border here, bottom border. So click this box and select this bottom border. So we can see here just we have this bottom border. And once you click here, so you can change link style, line style. You can change thickness, color, and click on OK. Select border and bottom. So thanks for watching.